So, I've been using Hostinger for a while now. Let's be real, I wanted to build a website, and I was on a budget. Hostinger popped up, and the prices were seriously tempting. So, I took the plunge, and you know what? I've been pleasantly surprised. The good stuff. Price. It's like crazy cheap, especially those intro deals. Perfect if you're just starting out. Speed. My site loads surprisingly fast, which keeps visitors happy. Freebies. They toss in a free domain name and some other goodies. Saves you a few extra bucks. Super easy setup. Honestly, even if you're not a tech whiz, you'll figure Hostinger out quickly. The not-so-perfect stuff. Support. They're there 24/7, but it's only through chat. Sometimes you just want to talk to a real person on the phone, right? Upsells. Be ready. They'll suggest some add-ons while you sign up. It's fine, but if you're on a strict budget, keep that in mind. It's a good choice for you. If you're building your first site, messing around with a small project, or watching every penny, Hostinger is a solid option. It's got all the basics done right. If you need crazy, powerful hosting for a massive business site, you might look elsewhere. Thank you for watching. Get a special Hostinger offer and promo code in the description.